Greetings, distinguished audience. Welcome to today's enlightening tutorial. In this session, we will embark on the intricate journey of setting up Dark Tunnel VPN using slow DNS server settings. Together, we'll meticulously navigate through each step, equipping you with the essential knowledge and skills for enhanced online security. Let's begin. Step 1. Initiate the setup process by launching your Chrome browser and searching for a reliable UDP custom site. This crucial first step will pave the way for configuring secure connections and VPN settings effectively. Step 2. Once you've landed on the site, tap on the menu button to unveil a diverse range of options that are essential for customizing your VPN connection according to your specific requirements. Step 3. From the list of options, select Slow DNS Server. This critical choice is renowned for enhancing data transmission speed and bolstering security features within your VPN setup. Step 4. A new list of server locations will be displayed. Choose your preferred location and tap on Select Location to specify your virtual presence, optimizing your online experience. Step 5. You will then be prompted to enter your username and password. Complete the verification process by solving the CAPTCHA challenge, and then click on Create Server to initiate the secure account creation process. Step 6. Once your server is successfully created, ensure you copy all necessary account details. These details are vital for a seamless transition to setting up Dark Tunnel VPN. Step 7. Next, download and install the Dark Tunnel VPN application from the Google Play Store. Follow the installation instructions carefully to integrate the app seamlessly into your device. Step 8. Open the Dark Tunnel VPN app. On the home screen, tap on the three dots icon to access the settings. Select Tunnel Type, and then proceed to choose SSH through DNS-TT for enhanced security measures. Step 9. Carefully enter your slow DNS server account details into the appropriate fields as indicated on the screen, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Step 10. Finally, double-check all your settings to guarantee everything is correct, then tap on the Connect button to initiate your VPN connection. For ongoing support and community interaction, we invite you to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Links are available in the description below. If you found this tutorial informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and don't hesitate to comment below if you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps. Thank you for joining us in this educational endeavor. Together, let's explore the digital landscape, empowered with knowledge and committed to secure online practices.